Simple Cooking, Simple Cooking Channel.
Get a large mixing bowl, pour in 2 cups of rice bubbles. I think they're called rice Krispies or something in the USA. Add half a cup of sugar, white sugar, caster sugar, fine sugar. It's all good. Then add half a cup of desiccated coconut. Then add about anywhere from 2/3 of a cup to a cup of mixed dried fruits. Get a saucepan and over medium heat put in 125 grams of vegetable shortening. Now the brand that I use is Copha. It has other names. It's also called Crisco, Cookeen. If you can't find any of these vegetable shortenings, you can always use lard. Right, now that the vegetable shortening is melted, get 1 cup of white chocolate. Usually the white chocolate bits are the easiest for this. They're like these little things. Now get your vegetable shortening while it's hot, pour it straight over it and then mix it all in. I'll get some sort of muffin or little cupcake thing. Put these in it and just spoon however much of the mixture you want in here, however big you want these to be. Alright, now just chuck this in the fridge for about an hour and this will be ready to eat or lick.
Simple Cooking, Simple